I've recently been appointed as Chair of Children's and I want to listen to what parents and families need.
These sessions have enabled us to talk to parents and carers who've got children with complex needs, to understand how they use the Senlo website and how we can improve upon it.
The sessions have been absolutely phenomenal. We've had a space in which the children can play and be supported in development of their communication and skills, whilst just allowing the parents to sit and have a cup of tea and be able to talk through their concerns and their worries and hopes for their future are in terms of what happens when their child reaches adulthood.
We set up a place area for the young people, for instance the TP. It's a bit of a chill out zone for them to go. It has a sensory light in there. We set up some paint stations which are symmetrical art, so instead of having it messy going around, it's all kind of enclosed. It's great for textures, it's great for writing and drawing, it's just fun.
It's been really nice because the parents have visibly been able to relax, safe in the knowledge that their children are in a safe and inclusive space, and more importantly having fun, whilst they sit down with other like-minded parents who just want to make things better, with a view to ultimately seeing how we can improve content on the local offer to better match the needs of these families.